In this video, we will show you how to upload a single product on your SHOPLINE admin panel. On the left panel, go to Product Management under Products. Click on Add Products tab on the right corner under Product Management page. Here, you may enter the product title and other details. This information makes it easier for you to organize your products and helps customers find what you sell. Firstly, give a name or title for your product, as well as the summary of the product. If you wish to include a more detailed product description, you may include it in the bigger box field. You can have image and video to display your products as well. Currently, the video only supports a YouTube link. To add, click Add Product Videos, insert the YouTube video URL and click OK. If you have previously uploaded images to your image library under Settings, you can directly choose from Image Library to upload. You can also upload the images from your computer files here, or drag and drop an image file into the upload box. Once the media is being uploaded, click and drag to sort the order of product image and video display. Next, under the Product Price section, fill in the product selling price, compare at price and cost price if applicable. Check this box if you wish to display the product in store, but hide the price to let customers reach directly to you. In the Inventory section, fill in your product SKU and barcode. Use existing ones if you already have them or create new ones. Fill in the inventory quantity. Keeping the box checked for tracking quantity, or else uncheck the box if the product has unlimited quantity. Next, you may also check the box if you want to continue selling even when the product is out of stock. Add a product variant by checking the box here. Set up the variant accordingly. In this case, let's choose color. Use comma to separate the color variations. And click Add the product variations if you wish to have more variants, such as size. Click Variant Sorting to sort the variants order and click Save. Product variants information will be automatically filled according to the main product information setup, but each variant is still able to have its own settings. You may use the filters here to select the product variants you wish to edit. Select the products you want to make changes to. You can also modify the inventory quantity to a specific number or adjust it based on the original inventory. Then click on Update. Next, click Change the Price drop-down menu to edit or clear the prices of selected products. Then, click More Actions to find the options to edit product weight or set product image. Lastly, click Delete if you want to delete the multiple products selected. Let's switch off the variant option and scroll back to the top of the page to configure the remaining settings. You will see product settings in the right column. Toggle this on if you wish to publish and display the product in store. Set product weight and unit of measurement. Brand name is an optional field. Add relevant tags to your product. Click View All Tags to see all tags created and apply any existing tag. You may also select which category this product belongs to. Similar to category setup, you are able to edit your SEO for web search visibility. Next, you can manage the delivery methods for a particular product. All delivery options will apply by default. Click Edit if you wish to exclude certain delivery options. Lastly, bind the product if it's also available at other third-party platforms. Click Edit and enter the product link and other required information. And click on Update to save. Once you are done with product settings, remember to click on Add to save this product. So that's all for the guide on product setup on SHOPLINE.